Комбону золото. Комбону. Так, теперь продолжаем. Быстро доиграем. Ануар. Голливуд кадём это. Я Голливуд подахарин кадём. Вау. Вот это чилода.
What are you doing?
Все, покатались и хватит. Поехали дальше. Дальше Ханурах так путай. Голливуд ёпт. Голливуд кадём на жижилик. Там малаха головарка. Это далее по топор. Это бля, ки.
Times of your favorite programming, including the Los Angeles Mirror and the Los Angeles Inquisitor. KTI Radio presents national news from Washington.
Boxing's on the card at St. Helena's Gym in the Bronx tonight. Golden Gloves Boxing. First round bouts in the sub-novice lightweight class, and it's strictly standing room only.
Look where you're
Tony takes the measure of Tony Cuero. For the time being, that is. Tony gets in a lick or two and seems to be able to absorb all of Mario can dish out, which is plenty. But you can't tell about these amateurs. It's nip and tuck, hit or miss. And now it's Tony who finally gets a glove at Mario's rib, and that leads to trouble for both fighters. Up they come and at it they go again. But it's about all over for
Обвашки не дали.
scratch.
Marino and Harold Torrance.
Хайфкарди что ли? Отдартым бадбадни. Бля, что ты не халап.
Youngster was game, but he was up against a couple of fists that packed a discouraging wallop. And the ref says, that's all.
KTI is a member of the American Century Broadcasting Network.
Вау, это что такое? Что за кабриолет?
Down in the hen house, something stirred when he shouted, "Who's there?" This is what he heard. There ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all.
Охуенно. Садись на паде, поехали.
And you butt in and hobble, 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 hobble with your chin. There ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here
Парник.
at all. You're stomping
Supervisor doesn't have to know about that.
shaking the ground. You're
Ладно,
kicking up
будьте.
an awful dust. We chickens chickens trying to sleep, and you butt in and hobble, 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 hobble. It's a sin. Tomorrow is a busy day.
Так. Дальше разворот. Налево до конца. Добре, разворот. Стоп. Задание киралых птахтаным аны кире бастан. Может надо.
We got things to do, we got eggs to lay, we got ground to dig and worms to scratch. It takes a lot of sense getting chicks to hatch. Oh, there ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. So quiet yourself and stop that fuss. There ain't nobody here.
Пидорасы!
Kindly point that gun the other way and hobble, 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 hobble.
Тоқтол бады.
You
Приключение.
idiot!
Во-во-во-во-во. Это что такое? А, нихуя, стрельство новых домов. Вау. Молодец, Плятун, такому раунду. Так, пуленьки. Ага. Там он воровал подальше. Тугнарики дюрите будут.
It's a busy day. We got things to do. We got eggs to lay. We got ground to dig and worms to scratch. It takes a lot of sense getting chicks to hatch. They ain't nobody here at all. So quiet yourself and stop that fuss. There ain't nobody here but us. And kindly point that gun the other way and hobble, hobble, hobble off and get to the head. Hey, hey,
Глядя. Мостовой так на условно говоря.
LAPD, police emergency.
Careful with it, copper.
Great job.
Он там вас наут.
Escape from the loony bin.
LAPD, I need your car, now.
Wake division to an interesting situation. You wake up in the morning feeling weak. It could be a deficiency of iron you need for healthy blood and bone.
Badge 1247, I need your vehicle.
Viime soisin nuotta, mutta no, hän on ostunut tuolla arpeatiin. Ota ole mieleen mieltä.
Thank God we're not in my car.
Tahtaa pipi miten hajama. Kädet ja haapti pitää sijoittaa. Stop. Anderman da var. Это что за конфетка? Нихуя тургени. Раз ты вот, малахагалгалявин. Ага. Направо, раз направо до конца.
What are you doing?
어?
Look where you're going.
Я хуя себе. Нас надо нашу вертыхату. Хуй с ним. Güzel. Kalkmasın da olur mu? Ona kurduğu ciğer gidecek. Ой, бля, что за инопланетное? Üskülü yapmasın işte. Дистерика его там. Вау, это кто такой на меня смотрит? О. Так. Монород. А чем вам остановить? Стой, 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 бля.
Out of the car. It's an emergency.
This seems like a good time for the siren, don't you think?
Hemen gidelim hemen. Uçtu.
Christ!
Что-то я ни хрена не вижу этот спрятанный автомобиль. Ага. А кого видно перекресток?
Open your eyes!
А. дальше народ. Народ. Хас хавлайды нэг значок. Одоо гастаа гэлээ бартах үйдгүүд. Би 2 2 масна халаа. Ондоо халаа гэж явах. Город ибик. О, блин. Что за ванна? Будет. Поехали, братан, поехали. Все.
Fine. Police emergency. Out of the car.
Driving around in this.
Пожарный бутылка.
You gotta be kidding me. We're driving this?
Так, та-та-та, мен масала баттан көрөк мару. Все. Если масала риддет. Хотам алып парковкага гынжа кабел жебат. Пока клипер. О, уже хватало алмасын көтеріп. Подойте басылды. Наша тачка вот стоит. Аренда хрен ебана.
What are you doing?
Ты живой там? Фу, бля. Только дымас на.
I'm sorry, sir. Police
What's wrong
officer.
with a
I
good
need your car.
old-fashioned black and white?
Заебал батачки. О, полицейский кладут.
Phelps!
Пашендер, сиретой не было подать. Ага, нарушение порядка. Тот же там. В зеркало смотрю, сука.
Look out!
Вот ты заявки кидали. Вау. Кто ты такой, бля?
Right down the drain. And since Lemon Wash removes spots from pots and pans, use it to remove the grease spots that occasionally get on clothes and that moths love to feed upon. Easy, quick Lemon Wash. Just listen for the whistle. The Lemon Wash whistle means it's gotta be clean. Lemon Wash all-purpose cleaner.
Here's a story of a roaring mining town and a gal who really knew her way around. They still talk of that event, 'cause the way she came and went, she took the town and turned it upside down. With her red silk stocking and her green perfume, she blew into this man's town with a silver spoon. Never was any trouble, but she started some soon. With a red silk stocking and a green perfume. For the red silk stocking and the green perfume.
Taş kokuları da hatta betip değil.
Be quick, officer. It's an emergency.
Да. Картники на горохара по-бырому. Все? Все второстепенные... Ну, точнее, машины все нашел. Все машины. Достопримечательности көйдеққа, блин, тахмелі по городу қатағлы деққа. Одан вызов кейдағына. Так. Так, буквально. Мен бугу где? Это что это где-то, доктор? Анра буеки. Манна, что ли? Угу. Инна ханны келе жига газета бар, бирин көрөк кон. Так, ок. Ивар, Николай, здорово. Мафию куду пойду. Мафия куду только на стороне закона. Детектив. Вот просто эти газеты, журналы, блин, куда не надо. Это беми ты тух. А шифком толры бихаре бартын. Огата сюжеттин хаван бихаре куда. А та почти биттим баню. Уже на директ плейлист толры пара баню тут. Вон наханнер газета, да. Так, на паре, давай выходим, ищем. Где киропту? Да. О, это чаточка. Thank you, Beckton. Ben bile bölge herhalde kanım debil. Цветы. Олтуйда. Ебать, 5 штук на блокнот пошли дни. Да, бля, доктор, да, что-то иник пулана. Вятта хагалавдан дугада. Бадут. Кош, я знаю все эти уже карты коронром. Тики с моей торба. Еще с моей торба YouTube хопалан турар. Еще с моей торбом в качестве телефон. Садись. Да, блин, беги, короче, Голливуд корып. Голливуд конна меманна. Так, поматагалык. Доктор. Ха. 됐고요. Так, если... Да, в Москву ну, да, если это Ахарова полицейский тачку найдет. Лахатар onun uğraşında heriyle bombattı. Hadi böyle bundan. Алкас, братан. Lahat karты ебать лохань. Сука. Böyle hatım anda geldim de. Stop doktor. Önce. Bakarım bir yapabileceğiz herhalde. Так, стоп. Маны турдакпына аю ая токтады. Ни хрена не понял, доктор. Картный круг лучше. Так, ага. Geldim. Bravo. Пиздец, по контролю. Bu manda kandıra var. Пиздец, girem, короче.
Are we undercover now? Put the siren on.
Yeri bile. Kandıra manda var. Abas diye bile. Nihuyya себе. Minikte yani. Manda kandıra kadar.
You really know how to put a passenger at ease.
겁나 많은 운동이들. 나 하나 걸린데. 그러는가 봐. Бля. Вверх, что ли? А как подняться?
We confront Jones, or else we have the address on the number slip. What's it gonna be? Новости, бля. Тут летят. Так, отсюда картный грохер. Угу. Вот. Чекаюсь. Қайық задание бар қача. Оны маны доктор қойда такие больше. Ебать, компьютер. Выйди.
О, тачка стоїть.
Straight through the next intersection. Take the next right.
başlıyor. 이렇게 가게 되네. 말이 오고.
This car cost me a fortune, you moron. Keep straight.
Look at this place. I'm guessing not much talent comes out of this talent agency.
James Jones 800.
Here we are. Jermaine Jones, 238.
Hey, who let you in?
Jermaine Jones.
Don't bother getting up. Your flunky Fleetwood Morgan just snitched you out.
I wasn't planning to. Now you think you can tell me who the hell you are?
LAPD. We'd like to take a look around.
The hell you will, motherfucker. You carrying a warrant?
No, do we need one? Search the place, Cole.
What do you think you're gonna find, policeman? Huh?
Много чего. Тут алгоритм.
Scott Phantom. Fine radio.
Фантом. Отличный зарядный
Shortwave, AM and FM. My father has a Scott.
You ain't allowed to do this. I got rights.
No wonder this thing is sounding a little muffled, Jermaine.
Brennan, Wilt, get over here. Take these assholes apart.
You heard the boss.
Is this the best you got? The mugs are dope to the eyeballs.
Clean them up quick, boys. I ain't got time for this. Come
Stop
on, come
resisting,
on. Beat these
asshole.
sons
You're
of...
on- Sit tight, asshole. Pretend you're at the parlor getting your nails done. Cole, You better search through that stuff in the radio before you brace our friend here.
How many starving musicians pay with perfect, clean 50s?
Ah, Murphy.
See how those two bums in guard their wages. Your friend Fleetwood was also a betting man.
Häätöstä.
Too much for felony possession.
Päättävä
Intent to supply.
Туйбо. Грузчик Рамиса, Лос-Анджелес, Калифорния. Получатель Джон Джонс. Населяем быстро и аккуратно. Ага, грузчик такие
Brown has
для меня.
renewables. They must have taken special care delivering this for you.
Det vart vad dyrt.
Lamont and Tyree are dead. At a stretch, the DA could have you on felony murder for supplying stolen government money.
Tyrone and Cornell are dead?
They're on a slab downtown with the ME examining their last meal. Popcorn washed down with morphine.
You offering me a deal?
I have a pet judge who hates blacks. He'll give you 50 years for your two buddies. Another 30 for stealing from Uncle Sam. You'll be out by the time you're 110. Imagine the changes you'll see.
I get the message. How much is this gonna cost me?
Морфин из обестных запасов.
Who supplies the morphine?
I don't know nothing about that.
Totta.
So we make you for all of it. You're the fall guy from Mickey Cohen.
In case you haven't noticed, I'm a colored man. You see any Jew boys running around here? I collect my cut. Lenny the Fink controls the action.
Lenny who?
Lenny Finkelstein, Mickey's dipshit brother-in-law.
Участие
What is
Отти.
the link between the morphine and the numbers slips?
There is no link. You're wasting your time here.
You're lying to me, Jones. Tell me about Merlin.
Who? I don't know anyone named Merlin.
لا خلنا كده منا.
You got that glassy look about you. You sure you're not hopped up or something?
Fleetwood Morgan will testify that you and Merlin are expanding out of illegal gambling and into drugs.
Okay. So I buy from a cat goes by the name of Merlin Otti. Merlin runs the lottery for the Jew boy. The Fink has a new line in drugs. You squeal me out, I deny ever telling you.
Tell us about Adi.
Hardy's a gambler. Fronts points on football games, fights, the horses, numbers. Chicken crossing the road. Motherfucker will take the odds on anything.
What's the score with Ramez removals?
I brought a radio from there. That's all.
Aivan ne bir uliko
So when we visit Ramez removals and tell them that we want a special bookcase or wardrobe to hide our dope in, they're going to be copacetic.
And when we tell them their good friend Jermaine sent us and said they could do a nice deal for the LAPD.
I could use an act like you two. Those fucks Abbott and Costello are on the slide. Hollywood could use another couple of deeply unfunny white bread humps like you.
Very good, Jermaine. You have character. Now cough it up.
Ramez is a good friend of Lenny the Fink. You getting the picture?
Take them all in.
We have a deal, right?
We're after the morphine. I'll speak to the DA on your behalf. You have my word. So Mickey Cohen or Jack Dragna stole the Army's surplus morphine, and they are selling it on the streets?
Abbas bir hiveten de bile. Dari dogi.
Phelps, 1247.
How could I help, Detective?
I need an address for Ramez Removals. Ramez, R-A-M-E-Z.
Just checking. Ramez Removals, corner Sunset and Wilton. Owned by a Jose Victor Ramez.
Thanks, man.
That's not enough. Seems like a decent guy.
Daha zona teki bedel. Bля, Менджоку секунд дохуя сюда входим ради. Bak. Игорь Непритон. Banda туда вправо, да? Зеленые ручки будякерят.
Detectives Phelps and Earl, LAPD.
The name's Merlin Odie. I run a strictly legitimate bookmaker's detective.
So that's not an illegal wire service that your colleagues are running? And the number slips that I've been picking up all morning with this address on them have nothing to do with you.
I pay my kick to the Watts, and they pay their cut to the LAPD. You can't go shaking me down.
You're a loudmouth, motherfucker, aren't you? Anyone ever tell you the criminals are supposed to keep their mouths shut? Stay where you are while we look around.
All автомат надо меха. Так. Улика. Странные каракули, да? Буквально вишня, колокольчик, вин. Вишня, колокольчик, вин. Нет. Бля. Тут вишня, колокольчик, вин. А еще один. О, вин. Фиксируем. О, вишня geldi. Фиксируем. Царах колокольчик. Заебал, бля. Давай, колокольчик. Колокольчик подул, тоже бандюк. О! Бинго! Пацаны, где не верят. Грузчики рамесы. Где грузчик-то будто? Быстро и аккуратно. То есть, эти грузчики татуировки нравятся. Я заведение рамес. Уже и кисток коллябанок. Ну и, конечно же, основная группа. От 429. Бронсон Авеню.
Paper trail, Merlin.
Все.
With this quantity,
Все, на морфин
a
бар.
high-level trafficking charge. Oh, that's quite a win for a dime, Merlin. You better start
God
talking.
damn it! Get after him, Phelps!
Give it up, Artie.
Одиноко хапкин. Стоять, сука!
Stop right there, Artie, or I will shoot. There he is. See him?
There he is, officer.
If you get him, give him one for me, detective. What are you trying to do, Merlin?
Get that bomb!
Хе-хе, поймал же. На нахуй. Красавчик.
All right, relax, motherfucker, you got me.
Nice wand, Merlin. Too bad you couldn't pull off your vanishing act.
Make your joke, smart guy, but don't damage that. That there's a valuable antique.
You don't say. Maybe you ought to have a look at this, Cole.
Тайник, что ли? Давай. Мистер Хосе 0 центов.
Adi has Jose Ramez in his pocket. Ramez must have forgotten his lucky numbers. Would you like to calculate the odds on you going to prison for a very long time, Merlin?
I'm not going nowhere. I paid my contributions, and I'm not getting hustled by you.
We're only interested in morphine. Army surplus morphine. What do you have to say about that?
I heard about that. Big robbery on the ship. Ain't my line of work. I prefer something with a sporting outcome.
You distribute for Lenny Finkelstein. You're a patsy for those gangsters.
I don't know what you're talking about. I distribute for the LAPD, motherfucker.
Jermaine Jones gave you up as his supplier. He says that you're Lenny's sissy, and that you'll do whatever Lenny tells you.
Me? That nigga's a dead man. I moved the dope Jose brings me. Jose Ramez, I ran a clean numbers racket until those two motherfuckers went into the dope business.
Ramez seems to owe you a lot of money.
We all owe somebody.
So it has nothing to do with the proceeds of the morphine shipment?
It's a gambling debt. The Heaps took over the wire service and screwed me. Now I just do what I'm told. Run numbers and ship dope. Jose's no different. He just thinks he's the big man that can run up tabs.
You're not the guy we want, Merlin. So we're taking you in. Maybe some time in a cell will help you remember something worthwhile.
Fuck you, and fuck you. You'll never put a charge on me.
Take this bum in. Take the long way around. Don't be gentle with him. You got that?
Yes, sir.
Ramez.
Mickey Cohen runs the dope rackets?
Mickey does what he's told. Benny Siegel will take a cut of any action he's going.
I thought Jack Dragner.
Dragner's an old-time greaser. He keeps his head down and pays his dues. Word is he's gonna clip Bugsy.
LAPD. We're here to see Jose Ramez.
What's it about?
Routine inquiries, sir. Can you tell us where we could find him?
You missed him. He was in the delivery truck, just went out.
God damn it. $11K calling KGPL.
Go ahead, 11K.
11K requesting assistance. In pursuit of narcotic suspects aboard a GM delivery truck. Commercial license David Charles 457.
Roger, 11K.
What is this lunatic think it's doing?
We're not
Нихуя
playing
себе, это
around here.
рабля.
Take this clown off the road.
На
Here comes the cavalry.
Опушки там.
Whoa, watch it.
Вот, блядь.
Step on it, huh? Just give me a little closer. Getting close. Steer him off the tar.
Блядь, доктор. Ладно, ёбаный.
Keep it steady and I'll try to bust his
Откуда это?
tire. He's going left onto Hollywood. Get alongside him and take him out.
Бля, полицейский да баран работает, нахуй. Вот, говорит,
Hit it, Cole. Spin him out.
хорош.
Hands behind your head. Ramos, you're being arrested on suspicion of supplying illegal drugs, resisting arrest, and for malicious damage to LAPD property.
Hey, hold your horses. I supply furniture, not drugs. And that thing back there, that was an accident. Some furniture came loose. That's all.
Save it for the DA, Chico.
Keep an eye on him. We're gonna take a look around inside.
Where's he been delivering? And who's been delivering here? Any repeat business in the ledger, Cole?
Так. Джорджи Майнинг.
Melinati is buying a lot of furniture. Why is Ramos buying so much ice?
What's with the puddle? Where's that trail of water coming from, Cole?
Labirint oralara oraya.
There must be a way through the back. Welcome to Furniture Village, where taste comes to die. What a pile of junk. My mother would be in heaven. I bet this is the kind of crap you love, Cole. 20 years out of fashion. Smells of old people in here. This is useless. I can't see a damn thing. You need to get up onto the floor above.
Блять, лестница никуда. А че ты корононю так? Нихуя себе. Да, мы тут ищем, знаете что? Ах, свет указывает на положение стороны экрана. А, ну проходу руку надо, да. Понял. Тогда Красиво продуманными боями.
Get down here. There's a cold room in the back.
Иду.
I think we know where the water's coming from. You're gonna want to see this.
Ну, это понятно, что это наркотики.
There's something frozen inside.
Явно борта морфин. А как достать? Ага, я понял.
Well, I'll be damned.
Ебать. Все, на. Борта морфин, что ли?
This must be how they transport the morphine.
LAPD, leave it right there. Everyone out of the vehicle and put your hands up.
There's something in the ice.
He's making a run for it. Let him have it.
Блядь.
Show me your face, motherfucker!
Идол обдают.
Take them all to Hollywood Station. Have the ME and tech services go over this place.
Where will you be?
Hunting polar bear.
Теперь белый медведь. Адут.
Is Audie serious? Is the LAPD turning a blind eye to narcotics?
Keep your shirt on, Phelps. Drugs are prohibited. Doesn't mean people don't want to take them. Limiting supply doesn't mean that we have limited demand.
I understand that. I know that the average Joe needs to remind him. Let his hair down again. Morphine? Heroin?
It's important to demonize hop, Phelps. Looks good in the papers. But when all is said and done, it's just another chemical like booze. A lot of people in high places think we're doing the city a favor by keeping the dope rolling into Central Avenue. Donnelly certainly believes we need to keep them anesthetized.
Better jobs and opportunities would go a lot further.
Will you listen to yourself?
Factory is closed. It's been for years. Not much call for ice anymore with all those newfangled refrigerators.
Save it for someone who wants to hear it. How many janitors carry a gat?
That's one way of announcing we're here.
Give it up, Finkelstein. Your brother-in-law will get you a good lawyer.
My brother-in-law hates my guts. Come and get me if you want some daylight through that suit of yours. You're after me, goddammit. Cannot leave this building alive. Eyes open. He's around here somewhere.
How long do you think you can hold out?
He's around here somewhere.
Блядь, потом.
Take cover, you dick.
Та дорогу.
I'm wide open here. Stay down. Goddamn cover. Get behind.
Throw out the guns.
Clearing some space here. I'm wide open here.
Weapons on the ground, now.
Give me some goddamn cover. Clear me some space here.
Бедненько дебил.
They're all dead, Finkelstein. Leave the weapon and put your hands up now.
Put my hands up. Sure. Then what? Cop to peddling the dope? Cut a deal? Ship me off to the queue? Soon as I get locked up, some old friend puts an ice pick above my ear? No thanks.
Only one other way out, shitheel.
So come
Ай дövdüm. Вот 50 watt gibi.
They're all dead, Finkelstein. Leave the weapon and put your hands up now.
Put my hands up. Sure. Then what? Cop to peddling the dope? Cut a deal? Ship me off to the queue? Soon as I get locked up, some old friend puts an ice pick above my ear? No thanks.
Only one other way out, shitheel.
Нихуя себе, блядь.
Let's have a look around. Now that we've finally got some peace and quiet. I think I've had enough ice for one day. Until the scotch I pour myself as soon as we get out of here. This stuff has got to be worth at least 100 grand.
So Finkelstein robbed the ship?
My guess is Lenny took it off their hands. This is big. This is gonna make the papers, Phelps. As senior investigator, I'll do the talking.
Говорит, буду я.
Well, well. Who would have thought that Roy Earl's hand-picked new partner would have turned out to be such a great case man? This is a good result, Phelps. As far as we can tell, Lenny the Fink was moving the morphine across the city and as far north as Frisco. This makes the feds very happy, and it makes Mickey Cohen look bad. I won't lie to you, kid. I like the headlines. I like them a lot. You keep this squad in the papers, and we'll get along just fine.
Хорошо.
You know a Freddie Calhoun?
Sure, I know
Freddie needs money to get out of town. Says he's prepared to blow the whistle on a primo reefer distribution ring. Says he
Has
can...
he said how much it's gonna cost?
$50.
And the department will front me the 50?
You can put in an expense claim. He's over at Mike Lyman's on Hollywood Boulevard. See what you can find out.
Guy gave his wife a tap. I'd say all fair in love and war.
Входит еще участок Хаббл.
$50? Do they think I'm made of money?
No, you just look like you're made of money.
Oh, very good. The kid's on form. I'd say on a scale of dull to scintillating, you're a solid
Do you ever listen to yourself?
I don't have the same voices in my head as you do.
Lay that pistol down with three tough gals. From deep down Texas way, we got no pals. They don't like...
Get this. Middle of the afternoon, this crazy woman decides to set fire to the hotel she lives in.
Это полицейский тачка, да? Полицейский буду говорить. Печальник.
Did they send some uniforms around to get her? No, that's the best part. The desk sergeant, he gets his share of crank calls, says, "All right, Lady Nero, why don't you come on down here?" An hour later, she shows. Hair still smoking, clothes smoldering, smelling like a brush fire.
Goddamn maniac!
There's a little sneak. That's him in the back, Cole.
Can I get a bowl of that chili?
Freddie, you're looking good.
You're gonna help me, right?
That's what I'm here for.
You got the money?
The 20? Sure, right here.
20? I said...
You want the money or the alternative?
Tell us about the reefer, Freddie.
Another good Samaritan. Answer the question.
Brass comes from Tijuana. They bring in 50 pounds a week.
50 pounds? Are you hallucinating, Freddie?
Gets stashed at a house at 1452 North Las Palmas.
Names, Freddie.
The guy at the house is a spick that goes by the name Juan Garcia Cruz. Be careful. He likes guns. Now, do I get my money?
Do me a favor, Freddie.
Spend the money on a bus ticket. You can't last forever on a stitch jacket.
Let's go visit this Cruz character. 50 pounds of dope. Crazy.
2 club sandwich. Thank you, Wade.
Believe his story? Sure. A hophead like Freddie would raffle his sister for his next score.
Почему звонки не поступают? Не, 20 урон, чтобы звонки были.
Call for help. I'll try to find a way in. Throw out the guns.
Нихуя жесткой дрыгли. Бля.
11K calling KGPS. Officers need help at 1452 North Las Palmas.
Все, ангонаки, да.
Fired and officers need help at...
I'll ask you politely to move on. Next time I won't be so nice.
You guys don't have to leave a mess. What happened?
Dope peddler, Juan Cruz. He opened fire and, well, the rest of the story tells itself. Silver dollar. I thought they took these things out of circulation. Juan Garcia Cruz. This is his address, but this place looks like a flip. Is this a drug or a village in Borneo? Doesn't appear to be in Spanish. Doesn't tell me anything. Whether this is going to help us.
Да, патроны. О, это что?
Doesn't look like anything.
Обычный хлам.
I doubt it.
Компания Парма, основном 80.
Doesn't anyone eat regular meals anymore? Junkies feeding on popcorn and grasshoppers living on soup.
These are the guys keeping Juan so well stocked with soup. Operator, give me dispatch.
Putting you through now.
Phelps, badge 1247.
How could I help, Detective?
I need an address on a Parnell Soup Company, a head office or factory in the Los Angeles area.
Just a second, Detective. Only one address listed. 6038 Fountain Avenue.
Thanks for your help.
Detectives, you'll want to come meet Mr. Fickman, the neighbor. Sounds like he's got something for you.
Detectives Phelps and Durrell, you were told you...
Always knew they were up to no good. Son of a bitch spent more time in the chicken coop than in his house.
Thank you, sir. That's very helpful. And next time you witness suspect behavior through the crack in your curtains, please call us before something like this happens.
Let me through. I just want a quick look is all.
Why don't you mind your business? Leave mine alone. Stop trying to wreck my happy home. Party all day long. Well, I can't get the rest but a doggone telephone. I got a little bitty girl, she's mine, oh mine. When she loves me, I feel like crying. Party all day long. I'm gonna love that gal who takes me all day long. Well, I feel like love, feel like running.
Да. Интересно. Могут задание голода улететь сьогодні буде. Обновлення яких шумчан.
We missed something at the cruise place. Let's go back.
Думаешь? Маневры хотелось там. Что-то упустили гайда от того. Напарник.
760.
Мanda que nessa raso.
You can drive.
Massa neanche di giorno. Ci duco per provato gente. Voglio quindi che la parte non stia giocando. Напарник хуйню не скажет. Что мы тут упустили? Ладно. Нет, не тела.
Not now, Phelps.
Это сейчас, Phelps.
I think I've seen it all.
Ну, я-то смотрел. Во, это что? Ох, ебать. Ты посмотри, глаза видят. Ману тот юру кулаки не годю, что ли? Ага, он идет. Как это идет? Шкаф, горбет.
Nothing significant.
Пора объяснять это Хаирту. Забудь труп.
Never the same, are they? Advice?
Sounds like we need to check out the chicken.
Проверить курятник. Бля, все. Абаште, блядь.
Phelps, you jump like a girl.
Сука. Вариант тут. Осторожно. О.
Now we're getting somewhere.
More soup? Who in the hell keeps a secret stash of soup?
Жена что-то поставила компания Parnells.
With Juan dead, we need a new suspect, Cole. Is there a pattern to the deliveries?
Тихуана. Медь Китай.
This guy EJ seems to be bringing in most of the serious weight. Dates and times seem pretty regular. Should notify the border crossing.
Those fuckers are probably in on it. Let's wait and see how this plays out.
Тихуана.
You hungry or something, Phelps?
Нет, ты где-то ровно. Трава.
I'd say that's pretty good value for 12 cents.
Factory sealed. Someone at the cannery has a lot of explaining to do.
Говорит, обе байки это не Хуан Гарси. Все, братан. Братульчик. Все же понятно стало. Tamam, bana значок мой дал, тут же надо ведь.
I need to get back to you, Phelps. You catch all the good ones, Phelps.
Ну, Хабиб уже дело трудно.
Another day, another dollar.
Все поставил. Стоп. Это, бля, тоқтады. Книжку открою. Там. Барахаманта.
Brother says the morphine is still turning up.
Makes sense. We have no idea how much of the stuff Lenny shifted. There's been no comeback from Cohen as yet.
Maybe Confidential Magazine is right, and Bugsy is on the slide.
You read that stuff? I wouldn't say it to his face if I was you. That is one hot-tempered son of a bitch.
Бля, вдруг погоня тахтага. Хатан гэлээд масна гэдэг. Ой, иди нахуй, короче.
LAPD. Who owns this factory, ma'am?
Mr. Parnell. Howard Parnell. I'll let him know you're here. Please, take a seat.
If you don't mind, we'll come with you.
If you must.
You just wanted a follower, didn't you? You sly dog. I must apologize for my partner's roving eye. He hates saying goodbye, but he loves watching them leave.
Give it a rest, Roy.
If you could show these men in to see Mr. Parnell, Doris. They're from the LAPD.
Follow me, gentlemen.
What is going on? We're a family company using family recipes. We don't know anything about dope rings. I need you to stop this from ruining the company's reputation.
LAPD, sit tight, fatso. You could be in very serious trouble.
There's no reason to be rude. Take a seat, gentlemen. I'm sure we can sort this all out.
Maybe you can explain why we found $5 bags of marijuana in sealed Parnell soup cans.
That's an outrageous allegation.
How do you explain it, Chubby? We found at least 30 cans, all sealed up tight with your label on them.
Can I get a list of your employees?
Of course. We have nothing to hide. Doris, can you bring me in the current employee listing?
Here it is, Mr. Parnell.
On the desk,
Ay,
please.
kadın. Так.
Any name on that list that rings a bell?
Бихи квитата кимете. Оливер Пит. Блядь, Арыжин. Сука. Я-то имя не помню. Подбитим обопили, короче. По адресу. Bu adreste ucunda bunlar hiç onu. Alejandro Mendoza, Augusto Martinez. Onda bu hoca. Kimin bu? Defende Garza. Bilemik batık kimette. Çapkı hurriye trabajasta. Ediyor tadan. Bırak kodu mer manda sida postor bu men. Хуан Гарсия. Во. Точно. Juan Garcia'nki bana başka gösteriyor. Кэмерон Джинго, Хернандо Мендоза, Исадора Салазар, Салазар Слизерин Барнс, Алисия Луис, Джеронимо, Группа Марко Левис. Туда man. Ой, короче.
How are your sales, Mr. Parnell?
Just fine and dandy, son. We're entering a new era of prosperity. I hope you're both big soup eaters.
Клиенты целых команда капец. Сомнение.
Mr. Parnell, do you know what kind of trouble you're in? Come clean with us.
Okay, so things are a little flat. We're deciding whether to lower production. It's taken a while to adjust to not having any military contracts. You know, we sold Uncle Sam 5 million cans of minestrone.
The factory sealed cans we found suggest a very professional operation, Mr. Parnell. We're looking for an inside man.
I know nothing about this. I want this stopped as much as you do.
Бля, это ложь конкретно.
Quit lying, Parnell. How could the cans be coming off the line sealed without your knowledge? You're the kingpin here.
You want to make an accusation like that, son? You better have some goddamn proof.
Бля, мана қандай кайта болды. Так, көремін сейчас мана. Не понял. Серьезно, что ли? А ну-ка вот. Бля.
Looks like I was mistaken. Tell me what I want to know, Parnell, or I will have half the LAPD down here tearing this place apart. You're hiding something.
Am I right in thinking you would not want to pursue misdemeanors outside your drug case?
Depending on what you call a misdemeanor, we might be prepared to turn a blind eye.
The truth is, I employ a lot of illegals. No one wants to do menial work anymore. Most of my factory staff are wetbacks. The local blacks and Chicanos all want jobs in aircraft factories.
Presumably because the pay is a lot better.
We're a family company using family recipes. We don't know anything about dope rings. I need you to stop this from ruining the company's reputation.
Я могу встать? Ох ты, бля, журнал Грамблрон, что ли, бля? Салазар деген бит. Тоғы салансырдан болды. Айсадора. Дельфиния Гарса. Алехандро Мендоза. Акуста Мартинец.
We're a family company using family recipes. We don't know anything about dope rings.
Наконец-то.
I need you to stop this from ruining the company's reputation.
Шел нах. Барахамант. Багиасига деп бит. Тебе надо следует кино что ли? Да. Доступа нет не керек.
Sit tight. Let's take a look at what's going on.
Either these customers are serious soup lovers, or I think we found our middleman.
Car 11 King to KGPL.
Car 11 King, go ahead.
I'm requesting assistance in a B-Wagon at 20th Century Markets, 1558 North Highland. Numerous narcotic suspects. Code 2 only, no sirens.
11K, roger.
Okay. Cavalry should be here any minute.
LAPD,
Nobody move!
I'll take my chances.
Sajon herkkiä paskemassa. Ja haipa totta.
Whatever you're carrying, hand it over. I'd say he's got about half a can left. I guess that makes me a pessimist.
You can't take me in.
Take you in? Be glad he didn't shoot you. I wouldn't have chased you. If it was up to me, you'd be talking out of a hole in the back of your head.
I want information.
Senor, I would like to help you, but I got a family in Mexico I have to provide for. And my compadres are very unreasonable.
Your compadres? Turn out your pockets. I need Ray to run down these silver dollars.
I need to make a deal. I need guarantees.
You have identification?
Мексиканское водительское право на имя Айта Кюнда Санчес.
Sanchez Erto, Mexican.
Адрес
Tijuana
Тихуан.
address.
Опа. Тихуан in the studio.
Here's the deal, Erto. You give me information, and I won't give you to immigration.
Знание об эхе.
Give me EJ, the driver bringing in the shipments, or I'll make you for it.
I run the shop. That's all I do.
Ложь.
Tell me the goddamn truth. You are in this with the others.
I told you I know them. I told you my family's at risk. What makes me part of their gang?
You have a silver dollar, Erto, just like Juan. I'm sure Ernesto and the rest have them as well.
The silver dollars are his mark.
Whose? Give me a name.
None of us are allowed to see him. His creatures carry his orders to us. If I gave you his name, I would be buried alongside my wife and children.
If you don't give us something, you will rot in jail while your family starves on the street.
Ernesto Juarez, tonight at 1 a.m. He's bringing the truck into the soup factory. Please help me, sir. Ernesto can be very cruel.
Tell me about the soup cans.
The soup is very popular, as you can see.
Да.
You're real funny, wise guy. You want to try saying that again with no teeth?
I get a delivery at 7:30 every other day from the factory. Jorge organizes everything.
You're under arrest.
Нихуя
Erto.
себе, икки правильно ответ.
I'll speak to the DA and see if he will agree to not seize your assets and deport you. That's the best I can do.
Не понял. Да что ли?
Freddie said they were moving 50 pounds a week. That's a lot of soup cans.
I think this is an interstate operation. Moving dope around the country to selected grasshoppers. Local weed gets distributed in the usual way, through Pachuco street punks.
Someone must know something about this drug baron.
Аранник болында гэж үтэй. Гэсээ батлаа адамдар койдик.
Let him unload the goods first.
Now?
Let's get him.
right, move. Move! Let's go! Everyone into position. Going hard. Keep it tight, okay?
LAPD, put your hands where we can see them. Reinforcements are on the way. Cease and desist.
Go, Phelps. Get in there.
Бля, полицейский.
Weapons on the ground. Now.
I think that's the last of them, Cole.
Красиво, да?
Detectives, found something here you probably want to see.
Стоп. Харазили тие кырык.
$1 per dead man. Doesn't seem like much for a human life.
Name Ernesto Cecilia, address to Juárez. Another paper name is there for Заметьте, Хуан, да? Бутуйда. Кинотеатр Юнайтед Артис. Билет на один на лицо. Травяное море. Травяное. Чисто.
God damn. I think we found our stash, Cole.
Take a look in these boxes.
Oh. At the very minimum, another 50 pounds.
Detectives, I think we got the guy. Does the name Cruz mean something to you?
It certainly does. $1,000 here. Yet another silver dollar.
Phelps, Earl, looks like quite a bloodbath. What was this all about?
Drugs and money. What else? Speaking of money, where did that roll go?
I picked it up for safekeeping. The department owes me 50.
Ray, I have another 2 coins for you.
Great. I've got something to show you. It's all set up on the table over here.
There. Take a look at these coins you've been collecting.
Oh, voilà.
There are letters cut into each coin, along with not legal tender.
Those are Morgan silver dollars from the 20s. They were removed from circulation and sent for disposal. A number of smelters around the country had the contract. Look at them together. Can you work out what it says?
Tak. Wow.
The first coin,
Красиво, да?
MAS. The second, ANG. The third, KAY. The fourth, MET. The fifth, ALS. The Sankey metals.
A metal foundry. Would you like the address?
Would I ever?
1034 Vine Street, Hollywood. We'll finish up here. It's already been a long night, Phelps. See if you can talk them into giving themselves up.
I hope that big wad of cash doesn't weigh you down.
Get your priorities straight, Phelps. We're close to bringing in one of the biggest dope cases of the year, and you're worrying about unsubstantial evidence?
Locked. We need another way in.
Нам нужен другой вход. Как? Ну, я понял. Там золотая труба идет. Вон aqui.
I recognize that guy from the paper.
Here's what I learned. Cops caught the guy who did the dahlia because they covered it up. Kind of big.
Ходит, я везде отдохнул. Это у вас тоже. Аутюнинг.
Cover the back door, bro.
Hey, reinforcements are on the way.
Для бронежилета там.
You okay? I'll tell you when I see what's waiting for us at the top.
Stay in cover. Find the cover.
Victor Sanders.
You know this guy?
I should have known.
Of course I know Roy. Roy and I have had an arrangement for many years.
You're under arrest.
Am I?
We have a mountain of prima facie evidence, as well as the testimony.
You'd be surprised how things have a habit of sorting themselves out. Evidence disappearing. Witnesses that can't be found. Policemen that forget. The impossible becomes probable when you have a client list like mine.
Shut your mouth. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Working vice can be a thankless task, Phelps. But on behalf of the brass and the moms and dads and the concerned citizens, I'd like to commend you and your partner for smashing this dope ring. Reefer is almost as big a threat to the children of this city as communism.
What about Sanders, Lieutenant?
Leave Sanders to me, Phelps. The chief will be looking after that one personally.
He will be brought to trial.
Phelps, we are celebrating your success. Don't push your luck. Sanders is no longer your problem.
Таралроу. Ботаника закрыть дело косякового безумия. А, Олин дагана эпиденди ваши. А вы с нихуя на 1 или 12. Похвально. Бетер. Оля пинди, ты ваш атом базы дали ем. Короче, бой не демен. Он не минден дар. Статья на агам хадага.
He'll be going up that damn hill tonight.
We're intelligence gathering, sir.
I don't need intelligence, son. I need men who can hold rifles and kill Japs. Tonight, you're a rifle company. We've got cooks, mechanics, and stretcher bearers all going into the line. We aim to break them tonight, Lieutenant.
Так. Блин,
Good to see you, Hank.
You too, Cole. How's your war?
Not quite what I expected.
As long as I live, I will never get over that sound.
Hey, who's that medic? He'll be killed going out there.
It's Sheldon, the guy from the Osakawa Bridge. That guy's got no fear.
He didn't make it.
I didn't go out there to save him.
What are you saying, man?
I went out there to put him out of his misery, to ease his pain. Do you have a problem with that?
Murder, Corman.
That's war, Lieutenant. Smell the stench. Feel the whore's breath on your neck.
You need help, man.
Call for me tonight, Lieutenant. When you're up on that hill. I've been up there 3 times already. The circles of hell have nothing on Sugarloaf Hill.
Get this madman out of my sight!
Death of Thunder. Han öldü.
You like the fight game, Phelps?
I did a little boxing in the Marines. I found it a pretty humbling experience.
Fix you a sandwich, buddy? Corned beef and egg salad, 12 cents. Bologna and ham and cheese, 10.
It's strictly a mug's game. You'll like this fight, though. A plucky limey's about to take a beating from an up-and-coming Negro.
You sound pretty sure about the result.
I ought to be. I got $50 on the black kid. Let's get a ringside seat. That son of a bitch Hammond made a run for his dressing room. Let's find out what's going on.
God damn you, Albert! You get out here right now!
Step back! LAPD! What's going on?
That son of a bitch Hammond has jammed the door.
And who are you?
Carlo Arcaro. I'm his manager.
I'm his trainer.
Interesting attitude to have towards a victorious athlete.
Victorious? We had an arrangement. We had a goddamn arrangement!
That limey bastard was paid to take a nap. He reneged.
And you were out of pocket?
Damn right. Me and a couple hundred other people.
Stand aside.
He squeezed out the window. I'll put an APB out on him.
Why would we do that? He won the fight fair and square.
To prevent him from getting clipped. He was paid to flop. There was big money riding on this
So are we
fight.
here because you lost money or because we're investigating a prize fighting racket?
Very funny. Look around and see what you can find. Which is Hammond's locker?
Over by the pinboard, second from the end.
Бunda хытык баяны. Дискап, что ли? Хамман. Где видите? Barry.
There's a phone number we can run by R&I. Plus a bunch of names and odds. You're not the only one who likes a flutter, Roy. So what next?
R&I could trace that phone number and find out who that limey was talking to before he cut out of here.
Oh, kahve. Kahve kuruk.
You look troubled.
Bitti ulapıt. Sammasında ylapıt.
You better find that cocksucker and you bring him to me.
I feel bad too, Mickey. He guaranteed me he would take the flop.
I guarantee that you will be fish food if you don't bring me... Roy, you out of pocket too?
Mickey? Seems that way.
Don't worry about it. My boys are out looking for him.
Well, you'd better call them off. This is a police matter now. If anything happens to Hammond, I'll testify that you made threats against him.
Who's the Greyhound? He's a frisky one, isn't he?
Cole Phelps? Mickey Cohen.
I know who he is, Roy. I, met his brother-in-law.
I think you had the mixture pretty scared back there.
Так, телефон. Куда кидем, на? Она кидем, да. Дайте мне телефон. Я буду.
Operator, give me R&I.
Putting you through now.
Phelps, 1247.
1247.
How could I help, Detective?
I need an address for the following phone number. AL345.
The address for the phone number is the Hotel El Mar, 6294 Leland Way, Hollywood.
Thanks.
Tabii gıcık işçiler hep var siyette. Голливуд TV'de, если Джинати Холливуд булана. Он то китайдер bir Китай TV'de, если кидне China болтарна.
You seem to have a pretty cozy relationship with Cohen and Stompanato.
Do I note a hint of reprimand in your tone, Detective? Talking to gangsters comes with the turf. You should try out Mickey's place. It's got a haberdasher's up on Sunset.
Отдел нравов
See if he
Битрома
can get you
Битьев.
out of those old man's clothes that you slink
Покупаем
around in.
сразу ночной стрим Баркана. Задание урока.
It is that, but he does carry some very sharp suits.
Это во-первых. Во-вторых, kulağına отдел поджогов тенгали готово. Отдел поджогов совсем не стремлен. Кое-что хасым баню мегавал.
Yeah, what do you want?
LAPD. We're making inquiries into the whereabouts of an Albert Hammond.
No one here by that name.
You sure?
Sure, I'm sure. This isn't the sort of place where people use their real names. Take a look at the register if you don't believe me.
I think his name is Phelps. We brought him a case of that poor lady killed near City Hall.
И чё до кого мне искать тогда?
Okay, so look for prominent Tommies. That should narrow it down.
Ha сейчас была öyle.
Buddy, drop something?
Ana koyuk.
I gotta have it.
Totta. Winston Churchill de bu.
Winston Churchill. A very patriotic Englishman is staying in room 207.
The old bulldog. Even at a flop house, Adley can't get out from his shadow.
I survived the war for this.
Door's unlocked. Looks like he's had a broad up here.
Insta-heat.
Pardon. Блядь, бимиди мимо найдем. Anlamadım. Dönüyorum tuş herhalde.
Andy has expensive
Kendi
taste.
Edwards.
Albert has his work cut out for him.
Hadi bu. Anladım.
All right, let's go after his girl. See if that gets us any closer. Who's Candy?
Candy Edwards, the lady who filled out this coupon.
Секси говорят Джей место.
I guess a fighter has plenty of time on his hands between bouts.
Свободное времени.
Does Albert have somebody special? I didn't see anyone in his corner at the fight.
O da kız gibi bir hava. Кетеген турбут масаны. жесткий детектив поларгдом тебе банювало. Записка. Разыскивается. Вестер Юнион, Эльверхамен, Лондон. Скоро буду твой сын, молодец, Альберт.
He must be heading home. You know, I hope he makes it.
That crooked son of a bitch? No chance.
О, выход элемент препаратора.
Looks like Albert's been doing some homework. 11 grand would be a nice little nest egg.
Attım. Bunu toparı. Почему тут лак? Опа. А, bu боксерскую хуйня вот так.
Don't think this is any use to
Мотор
us.
улика, а, подай. Свободно. КБХ, бутылка. Хавы, надуйте мне, Антон. Мы тут закончили. Хавы не андахай, надуйте. Наду.
You brought in the case for that poor lady killed near City Hall.
Так. Ну, адрес kendi evler manevra. Да, Голливудтың ебатарақ болта хамдыра бля. О, бля.
So, you boxed in the Marines?
We all did. Standard training.
I can't imagine you ever played dirty.
The only prize for taking the fall was 1,000 push-ups.
Наконец-то, бля, побольше зданий киренеров.
LAPD, ma'am. Are you all right?
That lowlife! That filthy lowlife!
What happened?
I was standing ready to get off and I heard a click. His camera. That pervert took a picture of my... up my...
Which way did he go?
There! That's him! Right there!
Ah, fuck.
Бля, кидай.
Go on, Phelps, get after that creeper!
Hit it, Cole. Spin him out.
Ёбаный. Гида. Вот, блядь.
Hit him. Clear this asshole off the road.
Ура, блядь, ахарфи. Если тебе будет.
Put your hands where I can see them. You're under arrest for public indecency. Ah, Christ.
Вон iki kaldı. Уличное преступление vardı. Голливудка var. Чего söyledi? Да, мах идет. А, боксер идет.
We need to know which room is Candy's.
Can I
You got the
help
cop
you,
who won a medal
gentlemen?
in solving all the
LAPD, ma'am. We're looking for Candy Edwards.
Apartment 7. You take the outside stairs by the parking lot and turn left at the top. You friends of the Italian guy?
Italian guy?
Yeah. Sleazy type? Gave his name as Carlo. I didn't like the look of him, but Candy has some funny friends.
Thanks.
This Candy broad must be as sweet as she sounds. All these gentlemen callers.
Give it up, bitch.
Sounds like we're missing all the
He's done
fun.
it for
Get
both
in
of
there,
us, and you know
Phelps.
where he's hiding. Now tell me where he is before I cut you.
I told you I haven't seen him.
Like hitting women, do you?
We had a gun!
This isn't gonna end well for you, friend. Out cold, but breathing. Give her a minute and take a look around.
Carlo here seems to have the same friends as Hammond. What are the odds on them all being bookmakers? Nasty weapon.
All the Italians carry them. A real man uses his fists or a gun.
Miliarder очков.
Not everything here is going to be relevant.
Для очков подавать. Патрончики.
It doesn't appear to be connected.
Ай, бля, краска.
Incidental.
Туда пара. Куда? Ага. Лос-Анджелес. Место прибытия Лос-Анджелес, Калифорния, место прибытия Акрон, Огайо. Ресерт. Кеннеди Эдвардс.
Single ticket. One way. I guess there isn't a lot for Albert in Ohio.
Умерла.
Scania sails from New
Аскания
York.
уходит из Нью-Йорка.
Take a seat, Miss Edwards. We have some questions for you to answer.
Look, I haven't done anything wrong.
Ever? I find that pretty hard to believe. Can you answer some questions now, Miss Edwards?
Sure, I've had worse. I'll shake it off.
We're trying to track down Albert Hammond. We have reason to believe he might be in danger. Do you know where he is?
No, I don't. I'm over Albert. I haven't seen him.
You're lying, Candy. You were in his hotel room. He came back after the fight and you weren't there. What happened?
You can't prove that I was in the room.
Да.
How do you think we found you, Candy? You wrote your name and address on a coupon.
Look, Albert was supposed to take a fall. We were all supposed to make a little money out of it. But Albert got too goddamn stubborn. Said his pride was all he had left. So I told him, shove it. Let's see his pride keep him warm at night.
So you walked out before the fight?
Yes, I did. What's the problem? I didn't take anything.
Do the names Harry, Mervyn, or Ray mean anything to you?
Could be anybody. How the hell would I know?
Ну-ка, быть
They're
чуть-чуть.
bookmakers, aren't they? Tell me the truth.
How the hell would I know?
Ой, бля. Коэффициенты букмекера, да? Букмекерские шансы.
You gonna stand around here all day? A girl's got things to do.
Albert wrote his winnings down on a notepad in the hotel room. We found the odds in his locker. Who has the betting slips?
That son of a bitch, Albert. Everyone thought he was dumb, including me. But he beat them all.
You're leaving town, Miss Edwards?
Yes, I'm going straight home.
Albert is going home by boat as soon as he collects his winnings. I know you're going to meet him.
Albert is going to collect nothing. He'll be lucky if he can get out of town in one piece.
How will you fare any better? They already believe you're in on it.
Hell, I know you're in on it.
You can think what you want, Buster. I'll take my chances. I got a few errands to run, and then I say adios to this dump.
Do you want to press charges against Arcaro?
Just get him out of here. That's all I want.
Get out, Carlo, you hump. And get rid of that pig sticker. You ever pull that thing on me, I'll shoot you like a dog.
That bitch knows where Hammond is. She knows where my money's gone.
My money too, tough guy.
Good luck, Miss Edwards. I hope things work out for you.
Thank you. It's very kind of you to say so.
Bad people are looking to hurt Candy, and yet she's not heading straight for the train station? I smell a payoff. I say stake her out. See where she goes. Tail this broad. Don't let her get away, but don't get spotted. I'll bring up the car behind you.
Ой, нихуя рад такой. Нормально. Нихуя король.
Too much slack. Get closer.
لا هاي نمرة Видел шпион долу. Ага. Куда она сворачивает? Неужели коллит, что ли? Тихо, сигнал, мама. Фу, бля. Harga lipet.
Bookmakers? Yes. Surprise, surprise.
A blonde woman just came in here. She went out the back way. Said she was being watched. How much did she collect? $3,600. She cleaned me out. On the Hammond Kid Galahad fight? You got it. I'm not complaining. We all made a lot of money on that one. Huge plunge on Galahad, and then Hammond knocks the bum out. So she collected the money and went out through the back door? Nope. She made a phone call over there, wrote something on a notepad, and then left.
What are you doing?
An old intelligence trick from the Marines.
Bitti uzattı. Üstten bitti. Аптека Экспресс 486.
We know where she's headed. Let's get moving.
Аптека отбит.
Car 11K, 11 King. Further to your request, Bumco Fraud has 3 known bookmakers operating out of storefronts in the Hollywood area. Thrifty Liquor, 6106 Santa Monica, the Examiner Drugstore, and a Max Spirits at 1658 North Cherokee. KGPL clear.
Hammond backed himself to win. And Candy is picking up the winnings. Smart play.
The question is Candy collecting on Albert's behalf, or is she cheating him too?
wasn't great. It was real nice.
Detectives Phelps and Earl, LAPD. Relax, Cole. You just have a blonde in here, Mervyn?
Sure did. I'm just about to close up. She took me to the cleaners. 4,000 clams and change.
How long ago did you leave?
Maybe 5 minutes. Called a cab. Asked for a number. I told her there was a card over there by the phone.
Фонарь, визитка. Треба гимана. Лапкап. Надо бы желтый такси вырахнуть надо.
Yellow cab. We need to get after her, fast.
Operator, give me dispatch.
1247.
Can you connect me to the Yellow Cab Company? Hollywood 2187, please. This is Detective Phelps, LAPD. We dispatched a cab to 1487 Ivar Avenue, Hollywood.
Yes, sir. Sent one round from the pool.
Do you have the number of that cab?
Number 179.
Thanks.
Two club sandwich.
We're done playing around. Get Mervyn to give us an address on Ray's place.
Хватит там, выбей из Мервина адрес Рея. Детектив вызвал такси по адресу Голливуд Авеню 148. Даст отправил один из наших машин. Какой номер? Это машина номер 179. Спасибо. Редненькими.
You have any idea who Ray is?
Sugar Ray?
Not now, Mervyn. Cole doesn't have much of a sense of humor at the best of times.
Ray runs a shop up on North Cherokee Avenue, just south of Hollywood Boulevard.
О, чутенько.
Go right just now. This broad's planning on cleaning out every bookmaker in town.
Hammond needed to make sure he was getting a bigger payday than if he'd taken the flop.
Never trust the limeys, especially where a fight's concerned. A mistake we can't seem to stop making.
Any Century unit 484 just occurred, 3155 West 4th Street. Unit to handle code 3 identified.
Даже это хорошо. Наконец-то тоже задали такие. Блядские ёбаные NPC-щики, да. Рахайнут-то. Ебаный в рот.
You're behind the wheel.
Any Century unit 484 just occurred, 3155 West 4th Street. Unit to handle code 3 identified.
11K, calling KGPL. We'll take the 484.
11K, see the man. Citizen reports at 484 just occurred at 3155 West 4th Street. 11K, handle code 3.
You gotta help me, officer, please!
Slow down. What happened?
I was just walking along, not bothering nobody. And these punks jumped me. They knocked me across my mouth and took my money.
How long ago was this?
Not more than 20 minutes ago, mister. They went that way, down the alley there.
Wait here.
Fleeced you, sucker.
This son of a bitch is taking the car!
Shit, come on, let's get after him.
Wake up, Cole.
Давай, детектив, не срать, блядь, а где стадия? Натурарит, блядь. Bila ba nyo kasi rin yung distributor ng kwan? Kung hindi, abaskirin yung heribes o gano'n. Barbat, kasi boss na yun gusto.
Get in close and steer him off the tar.
Daya po truko to sogag balatura. Apa sa sobala. Блять! Туранда, сука! Осу утром ты не ваша надо. Ага, да, находите.
Now, wasn't that a stupid thing to do?
Put your hands in the air!
Пашьте, бля. Какая наша? Хуй его знает. Что за... Последний ветер девся на бутыль.
You know the way. You can drive.
That's the cab waiting up ahead. She's not in the car. Don't get too close. She must be inside.
We're on the move again, Cole. After her. Don't lose that cab.
How many stops is she gonna make? Hammond is full of himself, being this sure he was gonna win.
You got a pretty funny idea of what keeping a low profile means, Phelps.
Filipino madueen kyllä. Ei lörmjön.
Too close, Phelps. Way too close.
That bitch has given me what I'm owed. That's all I know.
Pull over. She's heading inside. I think I just saw Hammond. I'll tail him. You get in there and stay with Candy. Make sure you don't let her see you.
I can't decide between
Isn't he the cop that won the medal in solving all the cases?
Isn't that the cop that caught the guy that was pretending?
Roy! Call an ambulance.
Hammond got away.
He said,
Just try and sit still, Candy.
Make
Who
me-
shot you? Was it Albert?
car.
They're on the way. I have a patrolman searching the depot. The chief's putting together a manhunt for Hammond. He got the money, right?
Looks like it.
A tough bird, our limey friend. Using his girlfriend as the bag woman and then getting greedy over the split. He won't make it out of town.
That's how you see it?
I told you that cocksucker was a crook.
Мне пистолет пар. Отпечаток пальцев туда-сюда. Да.
.32 caliber. One shot fired.
О, я помню, корешок пятый. Он тоже египетский театр. Он вот что сразу. Тут думать не надо. Поехали, поехали, поехали.
So, what now?
Şöyle bir ilgi psikiyatr.
The theater, I guess. We don't have much
Мне
else to
телефон
go on.
нужен. Тачка где, блядь, доктора тролль.
That broad got stocks in the Brazil. API Radio Los Angeles plays the songs you want to hear. The most heard on the...
Бля, ну табытанки, им давай чоловча. Olur gel блядь, бамма, арахтан бит. Апас тутмасам прогарып, блядь.
Poor girl. She didn't deserve that. Poor girl. Half the precinct aren't taking a vacation this year because of her. You need to leave town a lot quicker than that if you decide to screw over Mickey C.
This seems like a long shot. Aren't they all?
Car 11K, Car 11 King, come in.
Car 11 King.
Message from the coroner. The cause of death was a knife wound. Repeat, a knife wound. Revolver appears to have belonged to the victim.
Son of a
KGB all
bitch.
clear.
He stabbed her.
I thought you said real men use their fists, not guns.
That guinea cocksucker. You think he got the money too?
Come on, Roy. We're bringing this whole tragedy to its conclusion.
Why'd you kill her, Carlos? Your gripe was with me.
She was collecting the money for you. Mickey made it clear it was either me or you, and I intend to keep on living.
She stole those betting slips. She was running out on me.
And you were gonna let her?
No, I let her collect. I set her up, just like she set me up. Just like my manager set me up. Everyone wanted me to take a dive. Everyone wanted me to take the short money. It's for the best, kid.
You were washed up, kid! You couldn't climb, and you were too brave to sink. You were going nowhere!
Maybe, but I had heart. I was a Royal Marine, Carlo. If I lost a fight, it wasn't for lack of trying, and it wasn't for lack of courage. I didn't have much, but I had that.
I did it for you, and that's how you repay me!
You did it for yourself. So did little boy. You did it to make a quick buck, and Candy did it to make her dream come true.
Blah, blah, blah. I've got the money. All I need to do is get rid of you. It's gonna be a shame, kid, but that's business.
We've heard enough, Arcaro. Put down your weapon.
You're making a big mistake, Arcaro.
Не понял.
Where are you?
Прямо на ботах.
It's time to come out now, Hammond.
Put the gun down, Roy. That son of a bitch owes me a lot of money.
Catch. Escania sails from New York, Hammond.
Be on the next train and don't ever come back.
Why?
Because I was a Marine and I once lacked courage. Everyone deserves a second chance. Now beat it.
Fuck you! That English prick is getting away with my money, Phelps!
Donnelly and the homicide squad send their best, Phelps. They're more than pleased that you wrapped up the Edwards killing. They're a little mystified about the motive. You have any ideas on that?
Crime of passion, sir. Looks like some sort of love triangle between the manager, the fighter, and his girlfriend.
No sign of the scrapper?
No, sir. Looks like he left town after the fight.
Okay. It's homicide's problem now. Good work, gentlemen.
Блестяще.
.187 at 5810 Murata Avenue. Homicide wants you over there. The coroner thinks the broad was whacked using the Army morphine. Don't say anything, Roy. Just get over there.
Find the goddamn evidence.
What's with that getup of yours anyway? I should start introducing us as Detective Earl, and this is my science teacher, Mr. Phelps.
Your interest in my appearance is starting to get me worrying.
Like it or not, we're a dysfunctional couple now. People judge me with you on my arm same way they would a fat broad with a 5 o'clock shadow.
I really hope you're joking, Roy.
I didn't want to arrest the kid, so I gave him a dusting he wouldn't forget.
Are we going to the Mocambo this Friday?
Seem distracted. We recovered the morphine. Some of it might be unaccounted for, so what? That's life. We did our job. Closing one case opens another. Do you have any idea what is really going on while we're wasting our time following this stuff? Are you going to tell me? The deals being done right now will change the face of LA forever, and we're wasting our time on some hunk.
Christ alive, this is a nightmare!
Нихуя себе заборчик я
Someone's little
там.
girl. Visit the morgue at the end of the month when the John and Jane goes. Their percentages. The odds for and against lightning strike.
Watch out for the pedestrians!
Second floor. Apartment 6.
Квартира 6. Угу.
Thanks.
Восемь. Полуоткрытый была.
Bukowski, you made homicide.
That I did. Good to see you, Phelps.
You two want a hug? Or can we get on with it?
Relax, Rusty.
26 years old, fashion model. Found in the tub by the cleaning lady, Mrs. Reynoldson. She called it in.
We heard Carruthers thinks.
Carruthers likes to make
Кюрк
word.
на память там пробовит.
Overdose of sleeping pills. Falls asleep in the tub. Rest in peace.
Отдел убийств.
Case closed.
Here, here. Mal is 100% that it's murder.
Do you mind if I take a look around?
Sure. Go right ahead.
Кийин баары хамаатай. Маловато труп.
Phelps? Val, we've had a look around. Rusty thinks it's a waste of time. What's your theory?
Come on, Mal. Tell us why we were dragged down here.
If the victim was alive when she entered the tub, water would have entered her lungs. The water is violently churned in the windpipe as she drowns. The result is that a lot of foam is generated. This foam is found at the mouth and nostrils in almost all cases of real drowning. Notice anything about our Vic?
May I took a look?
Be my guest. Take a closer look at her head and neck.
Neck is bruised pretty badly. Very unusual ring.
Could be wrong, but it looks like a black sapphire.
І став та духать, так?
Bruising on the forearms and these
Это винде.
like bite marks.
Very good. The eyes are a classic sign of morphine, and the bruises tell their own story. I think one man held her down and another held her arm and injected her. They put her in the bath to try to cover it as a drowning.
And spread a trail of barbiturates.
Take a look around outside on your way out and see if you can find the syrettes. It would make my theory.
And morphine would have been very quick, and there wouldn't have been much of a struggle.
Okay, so find two guys who recently bought syrettes and weren't junkies, and you might be onto something.
This is her in the photo? It's something else.
Yes. Miss Julie was...
Pretty girl like that? Maybe she was having trouble with some
Нихуя,
boys, huh?
тёлка дело.
She got her
This is all top end of town stuff.
Couldn't take it anymore.
Gives us somewhere to look.
So she ran herself a bath and down some pills, and then she just drifted off.
Been a modeling assignment.
Julie, she always had so much fire. So much drive. Sorry, I'm not being very clear.
There. It's okay.
It's a place to start. Beautiful girl. Clothes certainly aren't from the Sears catalog.
Кого еще только на том. Да, а вдруг хан ему вроде? Ну там кровь-то. Утюгом побили. Такое тоже может быть. Нет, следов нету. Холодильник точно. Нет. Так, с тобой я потом поговорю. Так. Это ванная. О, ящик. Ничего. Обыкновенно свод.
Looks like barbiturates.
Да, снотворное. Это что такое? Нам наркотик нужен. Открывай.
Barbiturates.
А имя снотворное.
What else is rattling around in this thing?
Бата снотворный читный. Ёбаный. Детектив, давай со мной.
It would take a smarter man than me to connect that.
Так. Давай говорить.
I'm Detective Phelps. I'm here to try and help Julia. Do you mind answering some questions?
Virginia Reynoldson, I'm just so shocked. I feel like there's something I should be doing, someone I should call.
We can make those calls, ma'am. Who needs to be notified?
That's just it. I don't know. Miss Julie doesn't have any family in town. Someone has to set her affairs in order. Mr. Henderson, maybe? Who else is there? I don't know.
If you give the details to the other detectives, ma'am, they can try and get in contact. Was Miss Randall depressed about something? Upset?
No more than normal.
What are you hiding here, Mrs. Reynoldson? Julia was obviously disturbed about something.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
She was taking barbiturates. She couldn't sleep. You must have seen them in her room.
You've seen the pillbox, the things she hid in there. I don't know how she supported herself. Always new clothes and jewelry. She lived like a movie star. A princess. Does modeling really pay that well?
Did Miss Randall have many friends visit?
I'm not sure. I only come around twice a week.
What a пиздец, она ебаная.
Why are you lying to me, Mrs. Reynoldson? Julia had men stay here.
I will not speak ill of the dead. You can't prove that. That's a terrible insult to Miss Julia's honor and her memory. She's not even in the ground yet. You should be ashamed.
What was it like working for Miss Randall?
Perfectly fine, officer.
Mrs. Reynoldson, it seems like there's something you want to tell me.
She was very high-strung. Lovely one moment and screaming at you the next. She wanted it all and she wanted it damn quick.
Ikke правильно ответить была остальное. Насчет снотворного я угадал, сомнений не угадал, остальное нет. Вот эпидемия.
One of the other detectives will take your statement and then you can go home.
I haven't got time to jaw, Cole. The captain wants me to make this case.
Ну, посмотрим, братан. Скорее всего, дело раскрою я, а не ты. Так что, Биковский, удачи тебе.
I haven't seen much, Detective. The suit's waiting upstairs can give you the story.
Ты правильно говоришь. Пизда тебе нахуй. Сразу к полицейский дашь хотел.
Turn right here.
О, посоветуй-ка фильм от банана. Кто там у меня в чате? Пишите хоть что-нибудь.
I hope you got some money saved up. Go straight. It's the next right.
О, нихуя себе.
Tell you're lying. Your lips are moving.
Well, hello. What can I help you with today?
I think he's a bit of a
LAPD,
gangster.
ma'am.
I hope I haven't done anything wrong.
No, ma'am. We're making some inquiries about Julia Randall. Does she work here?
No, I had to let her go. Is she in some sort of trouble?
She was found dead this morning. How long had Julia worked as a model?
Well, she worked in New York before coming here. She was a very beautiful girl.
We need information on anyone she might have been seeing. Maybe someone she met here.
I'm sorry, I don't know of anyone. If she was seeing someone, he must have had money. Julia would never be interested in any man who didn't have real money.
Did she have any close friends here?
Actually, yes. Heather Swanson. Would you like to speak with her?
I'd like that very much. Please don't inform her about Miss Randall's death.
Very well, officer. Heather, these gentlemen are from the LAPD.
I'm Detective Phelps. This is Detective Earl. I understand that you worked with Julia Randall, Miss Swanson?
Yes. Julia helped me get my job here. She's not in any kind of trouble, is
She's
she?
a hellraiser, isn't she? Lives a fast life.
Oh, no. Maybe Mrs. Stanley would call her that, but I wouldn't. She's full of life, a wonderful company.
That's a lovely engagement ring.
Do you like it? Henry gave it to
I'm
me.
very interested in engagement rings. Do you mind if I take a closer look? That's some pearl, Miss Swanson. Would have cost Henry a fortune. He must really love you. How did you meet Julia?
I was introduced through my fiancé, Henry Arnett.
Henry is your beau. Tell us about it.
Yes, he is. Henry has a fashion business. He and Julia have been friends for years.
Are Miss Randall and Mr. Henderson engaged?
Who's he?
Julia was kept by this Henderson character. The apartment, clothes, the jewelry. Was she a call girl?
How would I know? What evidence is there that says that Julia is a prostitute?
You don't ask, you never find out. Look, lady, you need to give me something. Do you know anybody who would have cause to harm Julia?
No. Really, Mr. Phelps. Julie is my friend. I don't know why anyone would want to hurt her. She's okay, isn't she?
That's all for now, Miss Swanson. Could you ask your fiancé to visit Hollywood Police Station? It would be very helpful to our inquiry.
Now, wait a moment. I don't think I'll pass on that message until you tell me why you're asking all these questions.
Julia Randall was found dead this morning.
What? Oh, no. Oh, I can't believe it. She was so full of life.
Интересно.
KTI Radio, a service of the American Century Broadcasting System. Some swell oddities right here by Miss Evelyn Knight.
Nice move not telling old Sweet Lips in there about her friend taking the big jump till we were half out the door. Very slick.
I figured we'd get more out of her that way.
You're learning, Phelps. We'll make a vice cop out of you yet.
Доктора. Не фубиет. Да, на этой ноте мы так отдохнули. Возможно... А тут таблетки леми. Это не кратко.
This is ACB, American Century
Так,
Broadcasting.
погнали дальше.
We go to Washington now with national news from American Century Broadcasting.
Calling the House Un-American Activities Committee to order, Chairman J. Parnell Thomas of New Jersey opens an inquiry into possible communist penetration of the Hollywood film industry. The committee is seeking to determine if Red Party members have reached the screen with subversive propaganda. Mr. Thomas takes an impartial stand in his opening talk.
I want to emphasize at the outset of these hearings the fact that the Committee on Un-American Activities is investigating alleged communist influence and infiltration in the moving picture industry must not be considered or interpreted as an attack on the industry itself. Nor should our investigation...
Что-то мы тут упустили. Театр хорошо народу чайный, да. Осмотри место преступления. Что я тут упустил? Хорошо сказал бы тогда. Вот спальня которого встречался.
Quality English smoking jacket. I don't know anyone under 45 who would wear one.
Как я понял, звонок буду делать, да? Пиджак в магазине.
Come on, Phelps. Even Roy looks like he's working. Get on with it.
Города, бля, хардохор так это здание. Так. День заданет. Обнаженный город. Интересно. Я сейчас Что такое? Бля. Да ладно, только хотя пока что.